Hello, I'm Andrew Lovett. I'm a professor at the University of East Anglia and I'm a leader of the Green Infrastructure stream within the Business and Local Government Data Research Centre. We're particularly looking at ways in which you can map the local environment, and particularly those elements of the local environment that provide benefits to local residents. So this is the idea of green infrastructure. So this is things like parks, bridleways, rights of way, allotments, other sorts of green space that people get benefit from and use for recreation purposes. Local government in particular has a need to know where those sorts of resources are for planning purposes, so that they can look at the benefits that communities have, and they need to look at where those assets are across their district, so that they can then start to think that when, for example, new house building is taking place, whether there is a need for new green infrastructure provision in those local areas. What we're trying to do is look at ways of integrating several different sets of data to provide a more consistent and comprehensive mapping of green infrastructure than has existed previously. The kind of difference this might make to society is that if we can provide this information in a consistent way, then it's a very useful resource in terms of looking at differences in where these sorts of amenities and benefits exist, and what, for example, might need to be done to improve provision in different places.